In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete in Gmail. First, let's open Gmail. You can do this by navigating to your preferred web browser and typing in gmail.com. Once the page loads, you'll see a clean, organized layout. If you're on your mobile device, simply tap the Gmail app icon. It's important to ensure you're using the right environment to access your emails seamlessly. This initial step sets the tone for everything else you'll do today. You will find your inbox and can access all the features needed to manage your emails efficiently. Next, sign into your account. If you are already logged in, you will be taken directly to your inbox. If not, enter your email address and password in the respective fields. Make sure you input the correct credentials. This is crucial for maintaining the security of your account. Once you successfully log in, you will see the emails in your inbox. This gives you access to all your important information and correspondence. Now it's time to select the emails you want to delete. Look through your inbox to find the specific emails you no longer need. You can click the checkbox next to each email to select multiple emails at once. Selecting emails is significant because it allows you to manage your inbox effectively. You can easily clear out clutter and focus on what matters. After selecting, the chosen emails will be highlighted, indicating your selection. This visual cue reassures you that you are ready for the next step. From there, click the delete, which is represented by a trash can icon. This icon is usually located at the top of your inbox. When you click this icon, you are confirming that you want to delete the selected emails. Make sure you want to delete them, as this action cannot be undone unless you retrieve them from the trash. It's a straightforward step, yet it plays a crucial role in email management. Once you click the icon, you will see the emails disappear from your inbox. After that, the emails move to trash. You will notice a small notification confirming that your emails have been successfully moved to the trash folder. This step is important because it allows you to reclaim space in your inbox. The trash folder holds your deleted emails for about 30 days before they are permanently removed. If you change your mind, you can always retrieve any emails from this folder within that time frame. This gives you a safety net to recover anything accidentally deleted. Once that is done, remember to periodically check your trash folder. You can access it from the left sidebar in Gmail. This helps keep your email organized. You might find emails you want to restore or delete permanently. Regular maintenance of your trash folder ensures that you are not keeping unnecessary files and helps you stay organized. With that ready, you have now learned how to delete emails in Gmail. This process is quick and efficient, allowing you to keep your inbox tidy. Remember, managing your emails regularly can save you time and reduce stress. Thank you for following along today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.